Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at FreeAgent and recording daily takings. So if you're a cafe, restaurant, pub, or like a hairdresser or something that you need to record your daily income, this is what we're going to do inside FreeAgent. So as you can see, we're on our dashboard at this moment in time. Now what we have to do initially is we have to create a bank account. And as you can see here, I've already created one called Takings Account. So the way you would create the bank account is go to New, Bank Account, call it a name. So we've got Takings Account, or you can do Sales Account, Pound Sterling Active, make this my primary no, optional details, bank balance, create new account. Okay, as you can see, that's created a new account, and that allows us to now put some transactions into it. So what I will do is I'll just go into the takings account, and what we have is we have an ability to record our sales. So what you would do is you would add a transaction. So it would be sales, UK VAT rates, the date, so today's date, 14/04/2021. Now I took £1,200 inclusive of VAT, and you can say daily takings for 14th of April, and then just go, if you're going to do a summary, so if you do this weekly on a weekly basis, you can do it, create and add another. I'm just going to create and finish at this moment in time. So as you can see, it says daily takings for the 14th of April, £1,200. Okay, and that's up the balance there. Now what would happen is when you come to do your reconciliation in your bank, so if I go to the main bank account, okay, now what we have is we have a load of transactions in here, and for instance, if let's just find one that has money in, there we go. So if we find that this particular transaction, the 5th of July, is an invoice receipt against Strachan Myers, but let's take that was a bank payment in from our credit card machine, for instance, or money that we've paid in from cash that's taken. What we would have to do is basically say that it's a transfer from another account, and the other account is the takings account. If I save those changes, what it's done is it's done a transfer from the takings account to the business account. Okay, so that means that money's physically gone into the bank account, and we've already recorded the takings through the takings account, and we're just saying, right, well, that money in the sales has now actually hit our bank account, because not all, if you take cash, for instance, not all the money is going to go into the bank account, because you might use it to buy some sundry expenses for your business and stuff like that. So this is just an easy way to record it and to put it into your bank for your bank reconciliation. So if I just go to the takings account very quickly, and that was the 5th of the 7th, 2020. So if I go to the 5th of the 7th, you can say transfer from, you can see it here, transfer from takings account to business current account, 1550. So you can see it automatically does it for you on both sides. Okay, so that's a very, very easy thing to do. It's very easy to keep on top of it. And if you've got a bank feed on your current account, it's very easy to set up the rules around that, and we'll do another video around bank rules to make that automated for you. So that was it for today. What I'd like to say to everyone is, if you are new here, welcome. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit that bell notification, because we're uploading videos 3 times a week on various different aspects of FreeAgent, Sage, Cashflow, QuickBooks, Xero, on a rotation. Please hit that like button if you found it good. Also drop a comment if you have any comments at all, if it's about just a question, or if you like the video and said, yeah, thank you, it's great. We just like to see that interaction, see if the content's doing really well. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. But that's it for today, and until next time, stay safe.